Welcome back aspirants on MacTech 40, and today we will solve one question based on flow through pipes, and this question has been asked in GATE 2020. Okay, this question is a very basic question, but you require some fundamentals. If you solve this like a sorry, if you solve by using pressure drop or anything, so you will be very confused, but I am going to tell you one very basic method so you can easily solve this. Okay, so the question is, consider a steady, viscous, and fully developed flow. That means these three terms, which gives that the viscosity is there. So that means there should be a velocity gradient. Steady flow, that means no any changes, variation. Fully developed the flow, that means no, there is mixing, intermixing of the layer of the fluid flow through the circular pipe with internal diameter d. We know that the velocity profile forms a paraboloid. Yes, because this is the viscous flow at the pipe center. So that at the center line, so this is the center line, the velocity profile is given by v is equal to minus c into small r square minus capital D square by 4, where c is the constant. Okay, so this is the velocity profile equation at this point. So if I want to find at this or at this point velocity, the velocity is different because as you can see in the profile. Okay, so we have to derive a general kinetic energy equation, because rate of kinetic energy is also changing from center to this wall surface. Okay, so we have to determine the rate of kinetic energy in the control surface AB. That means control surface AB, this is whole surface, or you can say that wetted perimeter. If you see from the cross section like this, so the cross section area will be become this peripheral area. Okay, so this is, or you can say that free flow area, this is known as free flow area. And for the elemental control volume like this, that a strip that I have drawn here, so elemental area will be 2 pi r dr. Okay, this is free flow area, and it is given that when you find the kinetic energy, the rate of the kinetic energy will be proportional to d raised to n. So we have to find the value of n. What should be the value of n? Okay, so we know that kinetic energy, it is given by 1 by 2 mv square. Okay, but we also know that in terms of fluid mechanics mass flow rate, if you write in the terms rate of change of kinetic energy, here it is asked in question. Just see here, the rate of kinetic energy, it is asked in the question. So we have to divide with second. So this mass will become mass flow rate. Mass flow rate is given by rho av. Okay, so just put the value over here. So kinetic energy will be written like this: 1 by 2 rho into free flow area into v square, and this v, it will become v cube. But for whole, this whole control volume from a, suppose this is a, here it is written a to b, we will go to step by step from small elemental strip horizontally from center to radius. Okay, so this small area will be kinetic energy for this small area is equal to 1 by 2 rho, area is what, 2 pi small r dr into v cube. Here small r is instantaneous radius and capital R is pipe radius, or you can say that pipe diameter divided by 2. Okay, now here this value of one velocity equation at center is given as minus c into small r square minus d square by 4. Okay, so can I write that d square by 4 is equal to capital R square or pipe radius? Okay, now to remove this minus, I am taking minus sign inside, so I can write c into capital R square minus small r square. Okay, so this is the equation of velocity. Say this equation 1 and this as a equation 2. Now put the value of v in equation 1. So what you will get as a kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 rho 2 pi, and velocity is what? C into 2 pi C into capital R square minus small r square, this whole power cube, rho and small r dr. Okay, 1 by 2 rho area, this r dr, 2 pi area, and this C into r square minus capital R square. This will become your velocity v cube. So 2 will be get cancel out, and this profile is from where to where? From center to capital radius r. So we have to integrate this rate of change of kinetic energy. Okay, so when you integrate this from 0 to capital R, it will become rho into pi, and this C is constant, so CQ will be come out, and it will become R square minus R square whole power cube into small r dr. Here one thing, uh, please do this calculation very careful, because there are too many capital R and small r. So again I am telling you that capital R, that is the pipe radius, and it is constant throughout, and small r is the instantaneous radius, it is changing. Okay, so integrating this, rho into pi into c cube is constant, but before this integration I am simplifying this whole term. This is a minus b whole cube, so I can write a cube capital R whole cube, that means capital R raised to power 6 minus small r raised to power 6 minus a is a cube minus b cube minus 3 a is what? Capital R square small r square rho a, sorry, 3ab ab into a minus b. Okay, so a minus b, and here one more r. Okay, for this don't forget this, because in exam many student will forget this r. Okay, so rho pi c cube integration 0 to r. Now take this r inside, so you will get small r into capital R raised to 6 minus small r raised to 7 minus 3 r raised to 4. I'm multiplying this 3 into r capital R raised to 4 and small r square and this small r, so small r cube minus, again now I am multiplying this with this, so plus minus minus plus 3 times capital R square and this small r power 2 and this r power 2 plus 4 and plus 1 small r power 5 dr. Okay, so we can integrate each individually also. I'm writing on the next page, sorry, here. Okay, I'm writing here only rho pi c cube. Now integration capital R, the radius of pipe is constant, so r square by 2 here, from where to where? 0 to r minus small r raised to 8 by 8, 0 to r minus 3 r raised to 4 by small r raised to 4 by 4, 0 to r plus 3 r square is constant and small r raised to 5, so integration will become r power 6 by 6, 0 to r. Okay, and this is in multiplication of this. So if you put 0 and this, so this whole term will, this first term, this second term, this third term and fourth term will be 0. So I'm not writing the value of 0 in. Okay, I'm directly writing the value after putting r rho pi c cube into r raised to 8 by 2. Okay, capital R, I'm putting the value of capital R in place of small r here, minus capital R raised to 8 by 8 minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 minus 3 by 4 into capital R raised to 8. This 3 by 6 will become 1 by 2, and this r power 6 and r power 2 will become r power 8. So r power 8 by 2. Now take 8 as a LCM, rho pi c cube. Take 8 as a LCM, so it will become 4 times r raised to 8 minus r raised to 8 minus 6 times r raised to 8 plus 4 times r raised to 8. So this is 4 plus 4 8 minus 7, that means 1. So rho pi c cube by 8 into r power 8. Okay, now we can write r is equal to d by 2. So put this value, rho pi c cube into capital D power 8 divided by 8 we can write as 2 power 3, and here 2 power 8. So ultimately I can write rho pi c cube into D power 8 divided by 2 power 11. Now notice that this is the rate of change of kinetic energy. Okay, the required answer per second. Okay, density of water is constant, pi is constant, c is constant, it is given in question. 2 power 11 is also constant, so remaining variable is d power 8. So rate of kinetic energy change is proportional to d power 8, and compared to our question, it is proportional to d power n. It is given that it is proportional to d power n. So compare with this d power n. Okay, it is question, it is given that d power n. So compare this, you will get n is equal to 8. So this is your answer. Okay, so the main thing is the which equation that we have to use, this equation, kinetic energy per second. This is the main core, because what happens in exam, if you see the velocity profile, then most of the students try to do the pressure drop equation, del p by del x is equal to minus 4 by area and this all this. Okay, don't do that. Just what find, just read the question first, what they have asked. Okay, so here the answer is 8. Okay, hope you guys clear this. If you have still any doubt, just ask in the comment section. I will solve your query in upcoming sections. Okay, so today this is all for you. Tomorrow we will meet with another video. And one more announcement, that is MacTech 40 has a telegram group. Okay, I provided link in the description, so join this, so you will get the regular updates of the lectures. Okay, though you have subscribed, okay, you will get the bell notification, but as well as you will get the all the notification of the lectures on telegram group also, and join the Facebook also, so you can post your queries, like if any query from previous year question, so you can directly post there. Okay, so tomorrow we will meet with a new question. Till then, keep studying, stay focused.